Welcome back to Get Lower, guys. Today we have a special bike check here. We're going to go over a customer bike, one of my close friends, Hefe, and my man Eric's going to tell us a little bit about it. Kind of give me the basis of what you guys did to this bike.
Yeah, when Jeff brought us the bike, it already did have the Crate 135 engine in it. Dave up at CycleWorks did an amazing job kind of getting that in there. Really started the platform out very, very well. That's a monster, you know, so.
Dude, this thing absolutely
yeah,
rips on the street.
So already had a little bit of modification done to it. Jeff wanted to do some other things, lighten up the bike a little bit, so brought it to us, and that's exactly what we did.
First thing I'm seeing is those wheels. I'm sure they lighten this build up a lot. What are they?
Yeah, quite a bit. So these are the BST carbon fiber wheels. They are front and rear. Wrapped them in the Metzler Cruise Tech tire.
Grippy tire.
Yeah, really grippy tire. Handles very, very well. But yeah, those BSTs look great and super light. Yeah, that was the first point of contact to the ground.
So I'm seeing some other things that obviously aren't stock. I'm seeing Ohlins up front. Run me through that setup.
Up front, we have, this is the kit from Kraus that does convert it to the Ohlins inverted forks. With that, you do have to go with a radial caliper. So on this, we have the Brembo 484 Cafe style calipers on there. And then for the rotors, we did go with G-brakes. These are the oversized 13-inch rotors up front, standard size in the rear. Really great combination there. Also then pairing with our Brembo master cylinder.
Always got to have that
fantastic crispy braking on that. It's a really good upgrade to do.
So I'm seeing this front fender obviously looks super sleek and beautiful. What is that fender?
So that is a front fender from Hoffman. That's their carbon fiber front fender. It's their shorty version, so you can see some carbon fiber popping through. Jeff did want the bike custom painted. Local guys here, Lou over at LD Automotive, did a fantastic job painting all these carbon parts while still giving kind of little windows like that.
Yeah, it absolutely accentuates that whole front fender, and I really like how that flows throughout the bike.
Yeah, really solid job there. Lots of carbon on the bike, lots of paint. They crushed it over there. They did a really good job.
So obviously you're saying everything's carbon fiber on this bike. Is the front fairing carbon fiber?
From the fairing all the way back to the rear fender, man. Every body panel is carbon fiber on this, including the gas tank. BST gas tank, they are somewhat of a relatively new product. Super cool. It's got the cutouts for the knees, kind of keeps you tight to the bike. Again, Lou did an amazing job kind of masking off the logo, the kind of that old school, the ST style logo. So that way you see right through into the carbon fiber.
Which once again, absolutely crushes that look with the carbon fiber peeking through.
Yeah, for sure. Keeping it low key, but it's definitely there, and you can definitely see it when this bike gets out in the sun. It really kind of illuminates that, and it looks real sharp.
Run me through these bags, because these bags are chopped, they're gorgeous. What's going on?
These are the Hoffman designs. It's their bags, their chop bags, their lids, and their rear fender. So
fender has this beautiful carbon fiber strip in between the paint. Once again, absolutely accentuating that rear fender. So I'm seeing these side covers. Let me guess, carbon fiber.
Carbon fiber, you got it, man. Yep.
Let's move on to this pipe because it's catching my eye. What is it?
This is from SP Concepts. This is a little bit of a newer finish from those guys. This is the black Onyx, and this also is with their ProFlow headers. So this is their mid-length system. It's the Elsinore, and so as you can kind of see, works its way back underneath the bag, but it's not a full system, so it works well, sounds good, looks great.
When you guys were rolling this bike in today, I got a little peep of this swing arm.
Yeah, so that's a Speed Dealer swing arm. They offer those in a bunch of different finishes and options. Sticking with the theme of the bike, obviously it is just black. Kind of blends in a little bit down there, but if you know what you're looking at, you know you're looking at a nice piece.
Eric, once again, thank you so much for going over this bike with me. This is honestly a monster. It is a beautiful bike, and we actually have the owner of the bike, Hefe, to kind of give us a little rundown of why he built this bike. So we're gonna go ahead and call Hefe in. Yo, Jeff, come here, man. Come on in, my man.
How you doing?
So this is Hefe. He's the owner of this beautiful beast. And today I just want to ask you some questions like, what is your preferred riding style?
Well, I used to ride kind of like, you know, slow and steady, but I learned from some friends, oh, hi, Eric, that you want to go fast, have a good time, man. You want to do burnouts, wheelies, you know, do his little passing cars.
And this bike will 110% do all of those things that you want it to do.
Absolutely.
One of the main focuses of why we built this bike the way we built it, with the carbon fiber, it's obviously going to be lighter. With these wheels and this tire setup, it's going to be sticky. This bike is set to be super aggressive in a street setting.
That was the goal, 100%.
How long have you been riding?
I started riding motorcycles at 5 years old, dirt bikes.
And you race dirt bikes, right?
Race dirt bikes, motocross, yep, back in the day.
So when it comes to building a bike like this, why did you go this route?
Well, I found the shop through you, Get Lowered, you know, kind of customize it. You want to build like a bike for yourself, for what you think it's supposed to be, like customize it like a one-off bike. The big motor, you just want to go fast and just like...
And you want to fit your aggressive style.
Yeah, fit my aggressive style that I want to ride the bike and try to be safe at doing it.
Because this isn't one of those builds that's just going to sit and collect dust.
No,
this
this
is
bike is
something,
gonna...
Yeah, you're going to
This bike is going to be used. There's going to be rubber and smoke, and it's going to be just a fun bike.
What we went over on this bike is completely everyday use kind of bike. This bike will take you to work, it'll take you to get groceries, and then when you're on a Friday night, you can absolutely just cause havoc.
Mayhem. Absolutely. That's what we're going to do.
Well, guys, I really appreciate you staying tuned for this video. If you liked it, please like, comment, and share your favorite part of this bike. And stay tuned because we're going to have more bike builds just like this. Until next time, peace.